Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable the dark mode in this device. So here I already enabled the dark mode. You can see the dark mode is enabled in this device. So I will show you how to disable this one. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display. So here you can see two modes, light mode and the dark mode. Now the dark mode is selected. If you want to disable this one, select the option light mode. You can see now the dark mode is disabled. So from the control center also you can disable this one. So here you can see this is for the dark mode. For the disable this one, select this one. You can see now the dark mode is disabled. That means the light mode is enabled. If you want to again enable the dark mode, tap on this one. To disable this one, select the option light. So simply in this way you can disable the dark mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.